Hello. Hope you guys are doing well and happy Friday. We are going to get started. You have math to do today, just one slide for math, and then getting on iReady Math. You have foundations to do, working on your reading and grammar slides, and then doing iReady Reading, and then working on your social studies slide, which is a scholastic slide. Okay, so for math today, you're just working on some fact fluency. So you're going to add these numbers together and then type them in the text box, okay? For foundations today, we are working on the glued sound all. So A-L-L, ball, all. So you are going to tap out the word and you are going to put it in the yellow box right here. So for this one, it is call. So tap out call, all. Put those tiles. You can move the tiles and put them in the yellow box. Wall, all. Fall, all. Ball, all. And haul, all. Remember, you just have to move the tiles and put them in the yellow box, and your glued sounds are down here. For reading this week, we have been working on the central message, which is the lesson to be learned from the story. So we're going to read this passage together, and then you're going to answer some questions, okay? It says, Paco loves running around the yard, catching fireflies with his brother and sisters. Mom gives them mason jars to keep the insects in. He loves when they light up his room at night like twinkling stars. On Thursday evening, Paco was enjoying their glow when he started to notice that the fireflies weren't moving very much. He panicked and ran to the window with the jar in his hand. He flung open the jar and unscrewed the lid. He finally felt like he could breathe again as his friends flew off into the stars. Why does Paco love catching fireflies? Type it in this box. Why does Paco panic? And how did Paco feel at the end of the story? I want you to listen to our story that we've been studying this week, The Koala Who Could, and then we're going to answer these comprehension questions. How were the other animals different from Kevin? They were smart and he was not. They liked to move and he sat still and napped. They were just alike, they just didn't like Kevin. Number 2, what is the bad part for Kevin about never leaving the tree? He gets caught in a really bad storm. He gets really hungry. He misses out on all the fun. Number 3, why did Kevin come down from the tree? An anaconda chased him out of the tree. He gets bored. A bird causes the tree to fall down. After coming down from the tree, Kevin got scared and climbed back up. Is that true or false? So you're going to take these bubbles right here and you're going to move them to the correct answer. For science and social studies, for your Scholastic News, there was a paper that was sent home with the Scholastic News issue. Please complete the writing prompt and return it back in your writing folder. So this is what the paper looks like that was attached to your Scholastic News. So I want you to look through your Scholastic News, learn about Misty's dream, okay? And then you're going to answer the questions that is on this piece of paper that says Misty Copeland had a dream. It was. I have a dream too. It is. And that is it for today. I hope you guys have a great Friday.